Guys, welcome to yet another video. In today's video, we'll be covering the introduction of entrepreneurship. This is going to be a vital video for those who have started this subject recently or want to know the basics of entrepreneurship. So without further ado, let's look at the agendas. In today's class, we'll be covering the origin and history of entrepreneurship. We'll further be looking at the difference between entrepreneurship and business. And finally, we'll be closing this chapter by covering characteristics of entrepreneurship. So the word entrepreneurship comes from the word entrepreneur. Now the word entrepreneur comes from the French verb which was found in 13th century called as entreprendre. Now the word entreprendre means to do something or to undertake. It was popularized by Richard Cantillon in 1730, who is also an Irish French economist. According to him, entrepreneur is anyone who is willing to take a personal financial risk by investing into a business venture. There are different other economists who initially boosted this subject. The popular names are Jean-Baptiste or Jebise and Mills. There are other three economists who popularized this subject drastically. Now you can read about them in this slide. Moving on, what is entrepreneurship? The act of bringing change by an individual or entity through the product and or service generated through an idea. Now why did I say here product and or service? Because there are entities which only produce or provide products, and there are some industries which only provide service. But there are industries and there are businesses which provide both the product and service. The idea are mostly disruptive, and most entrepreneurship entities use technology and innovation. Further moving on, entrepreneurship and business have a drastic difference. Major difference lies in their motive. The motive or the purpose of entrepreneurship is to bring in change through use of idea and innovation. While the primary motive of business is to bring profit for the owners. Some of the major characteristics of entrepreneurship is number one, risk bearing. Risk bearing is the probability of gain or loss that can exist by investment in an entrepreneurship. Now you can be an entrepreneur and you might invest your financial resources as well as time in an entity, and there might exist a situation where you might not be able to generate revenue and profit. Second is vision. Vision is nothing but it is a desired state in future. Next is leadership. Leadership is something which is very important in any business. It is empowerment that we provide to our team and individually in our organization for positive change. Innovation is creation and improvement, creation of new ideas, creation of new technology, creation of new innovations. Finally, any entrepreneurship try to bring in change and bring in value. They try to create the value by providing better services, better products, and better innovation. In next class, we'll be covering more topics on entrepreneurship. Until then, thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.